Eric McCormack is back as Dr. Daniel Pierce in the hit show Perception. And he's back here with us on GMA as well. He's going to give us a sneak peek at tomorrow night's season opener, where we find Daniel in Paris with no desire to head back to Chicago to try to get his job back. Take a look.
I'm groveling in front of that pompous airbag for a job I don't even want.
Wait a minute, Doc, what do you mean you don't want it?
Why the hell would I want to come back? I'm in the most beautiful city in the world with a gorgeous woman who adores me. I'm writing in cafes. I'm going to concerts. I'm living the freaking dream, Lewicki. Gotta go.
Living the dream.
And then, and right after that moment, something terrible happens. So the dream doesn't last too long.
I love that you somehow managed to incorporate mimes into the episode. What is that like working with mimes?
I don't think there's enough mime in American television.
It's funny, I thought that myself.
Yeah, not since Shields and Yarnell, I think, have we really celebrated all that mime can be. So yeah, he's haunted by mimes throughout. There's one there. This guy here is like a famous mime. Imagine in Paris, he's celebrated. There was more excitement on the streets of Paris for him than.
And like in between takes, can you talk to the mime, or does he just take instruction in mime?
Yeah, no, I mean, I talk to him in mime. You know, we communicate.
Right. No, but do they really never? Are they never off?
No, he loves to talk. Having lunch with the mime. Let me tell you something. They don't shut up.
Yeah, I guess they have to find their outlet.
Absolutely.
And you're great company. So what can we expect on the whole from Daniel this season?
Well, Paris, which is what happens tomorrow night. It's a very exciting episode, but let's be honest, we couldn't shoot in Paris all season. So he does come home. And for the rest of the season, I think he comes back a bit wounded, but you know, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. So he comes back. Despite his condition, he is stronger than ever, I think, in terms of.
And the condition, you know, has him hallucinating.
Yeah.
You know, but he also has a great perception of human behavior, and that really, it sounds like, comes together in this Paris episode, where his imagination runs.
Well,
crazy.
I mean, he is a man with paranoid schizophrenia, and he's off his meds. It's not a good thing, and yet, being a neuroscientist, it's almost like it's a bull he chooses to ride, and it's sometimes not good for him. Sometimes a very bad decision, and other times it illuminates things that he would only discover and only figure out if
not good for the character, but must be really fun for you,
it's
actor,
amazing,
to play a guy like that. And now, you know, you talk about like sort of Bourne, you know, Jason Bourne like
well,
scenes
that's what
here that are in his head.
He's in this case hallucinating very bad things, and it's very common, I think, for people with the condition to hallucinate. The government is watching them and following them, and that's what happens in Paris. And it's but because he engages it, it makes for great television, I think.
Speaking of great television, obviously everybody still loves you as Will Truman, and we have a couple of questions from our GMA fans.
Okay.
Here's one from Teresa on Twitter. She wants to know if there's any possibility of Deborah Messing ever guesting on Perception.
Well, it looks like Deborah Messing is also solving crimes this fall on her show, so maybe we'll get together, you know, in a kind of moonlighting way, and we'll solve crimes together.
Will you do that?
I don't know. I'll ask.
Please.
I'll ask.
We would love it. We love having you.
I want her to come on so I can hallucinate Lucille Ball. I think that that could be the way to get Deborah on the show.
Genius. I love it. Everybody, check out Eric in season 3 of Perception. It premieres tomorrow night on TNT. And thank you so much for being with us, as always.